Good morning. For those of you who don't know, my name is Maya Karen. I run a fashion blog called Classically Kept. It does feature luxury, contemporary, and how to style and now natural hair care. So if you are into any of those things, please consider subscribing to my channel. Click the notification bell. That way you will never miss a video. So today is going to be another tailoring video. I'm not going to harp. If this is your first time on my channel, welcome. If you're already part of the community, you know what we are getting ready to do. We are going to be doing some tailoring before and after. I want to get a little bit more in depth. I'm going to see if she will allow me to film her actually doing the adjustments, and then I will also share pricing with you. I have 4 pieces, so let's get started. Okay, so starting with this gorgeous dress, she does have pockets. It is a little bit of a drop waist. It is fit and flare. So basically what I want her to do for this one, the straps are fine, but we're just gonna take it in just like that. And you can see with me pulling it like that, it already looks much better, okay? So I want her to take this in right here. So let me go ahead and back up. Okay, so for this one, 2 things. You guys know that she's already gonna have to take this in. With me going like that, it already looks better. But if you can't see it, it kind of puckers out like right here. That just means that it's too big and I don't have enough, breastises or tatas for this dress. So she's probably gonna have to take it in a little bit like right here. Or what she might do, because I do have on like a bra and it is padded, but if you see me like stretch, so if I put my hand right here and I stretch it out just a little bit more, you see how that goes away. So what she might do is she might actually just put some padding instead of coming in here and taking it in, okay? So I'll have her assess this situation and then take this in. This does come with a belt, but I still want it to be more fit and then it will still flare out, and she does have pockets. So I want her to take it in right here and then fix this situation going on right here. So let me get a little closer. Okay, so I just wanted to show you really quickly that she did end up inserting breast pads, and it did alleviate the problem on the side of the dress. Okay, so the last thing that I want done to this dress, as you see me taking the belt out, you can see the silver grommets. I just want her to add one more. She just told me that I just needed to buy a pack of grommets and then she would be able to insert it, or she'd be able to add it to the belt. Okay, so this one, we guys already know how obsessed I am with this skirt. I was attempting to save this for when I gain a little bit more weight, but the weight is not coming nearly as fast, and I want to wear this skirt so bad. So you guys already know, as soon as I, let go, you see what happens. So I just need her to take it in. It's just too big. So I wanted to sit right there, so she will take it in like that, and that will be that for this one. So. Okay, so right here, I just wanted to show you, instead of cutting the fabric, she just actually folded it over. And then that way, when I do gain the weight, she'll be able to take it out. And the skirt will be able to grow with me. Okay, that is all that I have for you. Let me know in the comments which piece was your favorite. You know that mine is going to be the Bottega skirt. I just want to remind you that here on YouTube, I do upload videos every Wednesday and Sunday. And of course, you know right here, I'll put my Instagram handle. Thank you so much for hanging out with me, you guys. Bye.
We always have it coming.